Ed Bauer from Aston Martin. A number of years ago, Aston Martin's CEO, Andy Palmer, pulled together an idea to have an electric Aston Martin, and the Rapide platform was seen as a good option for that. Four-door, four-seater car with a long wheelbase would suit, as a GT car, would suit a transformation into an electric vehicle to try and bring Aston Martin up to speed with electric vehicles. So the whole business needed to be able to transform itself to be able to bring in the new appeal of electric mobility and have a number of new powertrain system changes to enable that. Aston Martin typically known for V8s and V12s, so having to drop out the powertrain system and put in a new battery electric model, and that was named then the Rapide E. So previous incarnations of the Rapide are the Rapide S, and next year will be the Rapide AMR. But the quickest of all of them will be the Rapide E. It's rear-wheel drive, so it's a EDU at the back with dual electric motors and provided by integral powertrain and an X-Track transmission, driving through for a rear-wheel drive. So maintains the same performance and handling, or even exceeds that of the V12 predecessors. So if you took out the existing V12, the torque tube down the middle of the vehicle, and the remaining powertrain systems at the back, so the fuel tank and the exhaust systems, where the package, where that used to be, that's essentially where we had the challenge, the compromise challenge of trying to fit the new battery electric system. So a battery pack that sits through the vehicle is a carbon fibre case. You can see where it used to fit with a V12 at the front, through the torque tube down the middle, and then at the back there's a further part of the battery pack sitting above the electric drive unit that powers the rear wheels. It's Williams Advanced Engineering who've helped us develop that over a number of years now, and we're also working with integral powertrain for the motors and X-Track for the transmission. So Q4 2019 is when we'll be doing job one, and they'll be built in St Athan. So there'll be 155 of the vehicles in the production run, and they'll all be assembled and made in St Athan in Wales at our new home of electrification. There'll be saleable cars which will be ready to use on the roads.